Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the new way to get your Airtel Esim QR code in 2025. Quick, easy, and completely online. If you've been waiting to upgrade your SIM to eSIM without visiting a store, this video is for you. First, make sure you download the Airtel Thanks app from your App Store or Play Store. Once installed, log in using the phone number you want to upgrade to an eSIM. On the home page, scroll down until you see the shortcuts section, then tap on Upgrade to eSIM. Next, you'll need to select your device. Choose this device if you're using the same phone, or other device if it's a different one. Now it's time to enter your 32-digit EID number. You can find this in your phone's settings, About Phone section. If you're unsure, the FAQs in the app are super helpful. Once that's done, Airtel will send a one-time password, OTP, to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the app to proceed. Within about 10 minutes, you'll receive a verification call from Airtel. Just answer the call and confirm your eSIM request verbally. That's it. Your request is officially submitted for processing. In roughly 2 hours, your eSIM will be ready. You can then activate it on your device simply by scanning the QR code provided in the Airtel app. No extra steps, no confusion, just scan and you're good to go. And that's all there is to it. Getting your Airtel eSIM in 2025 is now faster and easier than ever. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.